after employment data came out stronger than expected on Wednesday, the market was previously fully priced in for a 60 basis point rate cut in 2026. But then we saw a rebalance, and now the market is priced for a 53 basis point rate cut. You can see that the market is fairly priced because when the CPI data came out on Friday, we initially saw a strong bullish reaction, but then a very strong high created, and the market quickly returned back to the balance, uh, which shows that the data that came out aligned with the current market narrative, which has already been priced in. And so essentially, it wasn't a shift in sentiment to see this data come out. Now, this very strong excess low that was created following the employment data release, which stopped out right around the balance, the high of the previous balance range, is still holding strong, and I expect it to continue to do so. Now, the USD is still fundamentally bearish, and the euro is still bullish. And so, as of right now, we can anticipate the strong low to hold for the time being. Now, the balance that the market has been in since Wednesday may be prepared, beginning to be prepared for a rediscovery of new balance. We can see that the buyers have been holding the lows very strongly, and the structure in the short term is beginning to shift more towards the upside. So today, I'm expecting the low at 18476 to hold. We may see a good buy opportunity from this low up to around 18582, but I prefer that it doesn't really come close to the low, because if the price does manage to tag the low even slightly, it's likely that we'll see some very strong and aggressive consolidation down here before the market makes its next move. I think you may see the price react a little bit earlier around 1864 or 186. And if we do get a nice reaction here, I think it's very likely that will come up and revisit Friday's high. And if the price can hold above Friday's high, we may be accepting the balance that we saw earlier on last week. And so we may see price aggressively move through it, and where we've got some stronger highs up around 193.